am in love with this black obsidian and tiger's eye bracelet set from WFJ. I'm Sarah with WTI, and this beautiful bracelet set is not only stunning to look at, but I'm also very impressed with how durable it is. We've got some classy men in our family, and they have a good eye when it comes to jewelry. Both my husband and my son really like this bracelet set, whether they're wearing jeans or dressing it up a little fancier. These bracelets just add a little something extra to any outfit. They are super stretchy and fit around my husband's hand, and then they rest nicely on his wrist. We were also very impressed by the quality of these beads. They have a little weight to them, which tells me that they're high quality. And we also like that they're not too heavy to be uncomfortable. These three stones look absolutely beautiful together. It looks like you're wearing an art piece on your wrist. So if you're in the market for a great piece of jewelry for yourself or for the man in your life, then I think you should check out this bracelet set from WFJ. But that's just my point of view.